Ready to power up your gaming or workstation setup? Today, we're diving into the best power supplies of 2024, the lifeblood of your rig that can make or break your system's performance and longevity. Let's start strong with the ASUS Prime 850 watts Gold, a powerhouse for anyone serious about stability and efficiency. ASUS Prime AP850G. Starting strong in the power supply game, the ASUS Prime 850W Gold delivers the reliable juice you need to run all your high-end hardware with ease. This PSU packs dual ball fan bearings that are built to outlast standard sleeve bearings, extending the longevity of your setup. With 80+ Gold certification, it's crafted from premium, low ESR capacitors, meaning energy efficiency is top-notch while minimizing power wastage. The ATX 3.0 compatibility keeps you future-ready, especially with the inclusion of a 16-pin PCIe cable that supports next-gen PCIe 5.0 graphics cards. The fan's axial tech design, with its compact hub and elongated blades, improves airflow significantly, ensuring that your components stay cool and perform at their peak. A solid choice for any gaming or creative rig, ASUS Prime 850 watts Gold is all about giving you stability and performance with a premium, lasting build. EVGA Supernova 850G. Next, let's go with the EVGA Supernova 850G FTW, a powerhouse that's all about efficiency, durability, and readiness for the latest tech. It's compact enough at 150 millimeters to fit snugly into most setups, but don't let that fool you. This 850-watt unit packs a serious punch. Built to ATX 3.0 standards and PCIe 5.0 ready with a 12V HPWR connection, it's prepped for next-gen GPUs and intensive workloads. With 80+ Gold certification, it's all about top-tier energy efficiency, and the fully modular design keeps your cables clean and clutter-free. Inside, 100% Japanese capacitors ensure steady performance, while the FDB fan, paired with EVGA's ECO mode, keeps things cool and quiet. Reliable, efficient, and modern gaming ready, the Supernova 850G FTW is a smart choice for any setup. Be quiet. BN515. For our next option, meet the Be Quiet. BN515, straight power 12-850 watts. This power supply combines 80+ platinum efficiency with a modular design, making it ideal for anyone wanting a high-performance and quiet setup. Built to handle the latest PCIe 5.0 GPUs, it's ATX 3.0 compliant and equipped with connectors for both 12 VHPWR and 6+2 pin GPUs, so you're set for any upgrade. The standout feature is its ultra-quiet 135mm Be Quiet fan, which minimizes noise even during heavy gaming or rendering sessions. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a professional workstation, this PSU delivers efficient power with that signature Be Quiet silence. NZXT C850 Gold. For those who value both performance and a streamlined setup, the NZXT C850 Gold ATX 3.1 is an excellent pick. This 850-watt, fully modular power supply is tailored for modern gaming builds, equipped with ATX 3.1 compliance and a 12 V2x6 connector, making it ready for the latest GPUs and gaming demands. Rated 80+ Gold, it's crafted for efficient power delivery and optimized cooling, featuring a zero fan mode that kicks in only when needed, keeping your rig as quiet as possible. Built with 100% Japanese capacitors, it promises stability and longevity, even during intense usage. For anyone looking to future-proof their build with reliable, low-noise power, the NZXT C850 Gold is a smart choice. MSI Mag E A850GL. Lastly, we have the MSI Mag 850GL, a powerhouse for modern gaming setups, combining efficiency, durability, and compatibility into one compact design. With its 80+ Gold certification, it delivers high-efficiency power, reducing energy loss and heat. Built to ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5 standards, it's designed to support next-gen GPUs and high-performance rigs, ensuring you're ready for future upgrades. The fully modular design lets you connect only the cables you need, cutting down on clutter and improving airflow. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, the MAG A850GL ensures long-lasting reliability, making it a solid choice for gamers seeking dependable performance without compromising on features. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this guide helped you discover the best power supplies for keeping your rig running smooth and strong. From cutting-edge efficiency to future-proof connectivity, these PSUs are ready for anything 2024 and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which power supply you're going with. Until next time, happy building and happy gaming.